So we're gonna have a few days of no rain. You know, when you have a few days of no rain, get the water hose and stuff ready. First thing, let's get this baby out there. Let me show you what I got going on. We have a little bit of spots that we got to take care of. So I haven't actually done an official first cut, just a cleanup cut. So still growing in, looking good. Definitely have to clean that stuff off the side of the house. I was gonna replace this, but it's just not a good idea because this thing works great. Can't replace something that's working this well, can we? All right, there we go. I'm gonna put that right there. You just came out of the blue. If you only know. That thing is heavy. That thing is heavy. That thing is heavy. Check these to make sure no leaks. Shouldn't be. Strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Let's fall in love. Then maybe let's fall in love. Then maybe let's fall in love. But coffee, let's go to a restaurant. Do I feel pick up some strawberries? Then maybe let's fall in love. 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 Now you see why I sharpen my knife so much. What's up?
Can you hear me, Dad?
Yeah, I hear you. What's happening?
I I signed Riley up for flag football yesterday.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I just wanted to tell you.